Today I'm gonna share with you a delicious cake. All we need is 4 eggs, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or mashed lemon peels, 2 cups sifted cake flour, 1 baking powder. In a large glass or metal mixing bowl, beat 4 eggs at room temperature with 1 cup of white sugar. Mix it well. After that, we add 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Slowly add flour mixture with the baking soda, beating on low speed and taking care not to overmix batter. Bake in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow to cool before removing from the pan. You can decorate it with chocolate or anything you want. I hope that you liked my video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.